Good morning, everyone. It's iCurly K here. It is Thursday, April 10th, and we are going to get into today's free trade ideas. So we are actually looking at United Healthcare. As we can see in the market, we had a pretty bullish day because of the news that actually came out, the tweet from DJT. And so, with that being the case, I want to just remind everyone that this is not the time to go in super heavy into anything in the stock market. And please be hyper aware of the charts because one simple catalyst on social media or, within the news can definitely impact your trade. So please be mindful. All right, so we have United Healthcare, and let's just look for our entries. I do see that we have a put entry here, but I believe that based on where we closed, and considering the ATR, it may not be worth it to go all the way down to the day, or up to the day rather. So let's look at the 4 hour time frame and see what we have. So we do have something here. So let's go ahead and mark out our daily put entry just because we need to have it marked out. And let's see. And then for the put entry on the 4 hour, now this one would be better to actually take considering the magnitude. And then let's see what we have. So the daily time frame, and then we have a 1 hour. Okay, so we do have a 1 hour entry for calls here. All right, and let's go ahead and talk about where we could get to in reference to strike prices. So let's see. So to the upside, we're looking at 596.66. And that's our ATR target. So when it comes to your ATR targets, it does not mean that we have to go all the way up there. But what it does mean is that if we did nothing but push to the upside, that is, where we would reach our area of exhaustion, where we might try to cool off and, pull to the opposite direction. And then let's look for the downside. For the downside, we're looking at, let's do that again. So 559.36. I was right about that magnitude from the day. All right, and so that is our ATR target to the downside. So in reference to strike prices, let's talk about what we're looking at. So to the upside, I would definitely say in the money to 595. And then to the downside, I would say in the money to 560 would actually work. All right, everyone. So this is going to be your free trade idea for today. Please remember to always look for market structure, no matter what your directional bias may be. What the structure is dictating on the chart is going to tell you how you should actually enter that trade, if you should take calls or if you should take puts. All right. If you like this video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, share it with a friend or a family member. I pray that you're safe in this trading environment. I hope to see you in baggage claim. Bye.